Welcome back to Geography with Justin. In this video we're going to do another basic ArcMap tutorial. As you can see, I already have the US states and ocean layers open, but the colors are off. So the first thing we're going to do is right click on the color box and change this to a beige, and we're going to change this to a light gray. Next thing we want to do is change the projection. So right click on the layers, open up the properties, the coordinate system, and we're going to use the Lambert conformal conic style. Choose North America and the USA contiguous Lambert conformal conic, since that is the area we're going to be showcasing in the map. Okay. Now to zoom into the area, just hold the left Alt key and draw a rectangle around the area you want to zoom to. And there you go, it zooms to that area. The next thing we want to do is to label the states. So to do that, go to the layer properties, go to the label tab, and check this box that says label features in this layer. The default is the state name, and I'm going to change that to state abbreviation, and that'll label each state with its 2-letter abbreviation. And now that that's loaded, you can see that there are 2 Michigans, 2 Rhode Islands, multiple Alaska, and the reason is that it's labeling each polygon and not just one label for the state. And so to fix that, right click on the US states, go back to the properties, here on the labels tab, placement properties, remove duplicate labels. And so now when this reloads, you can see that there is only one label for each state. Next thing we want to do is get rid of the longitude and latitude lines, because we really just want this gray as a background. And so open up the ocean layer properties, and in the symbology, the outline width, change it to 0. And that'll get rid of those lines. Okay, next we're going to change to layout view, which is where you make the map document. And when this loads, you can see that I've already set up some guidelines here. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is change the scale so that it fits better. And then move this so that it looks better within the box, more evenly spaced. There we go. And now we're going to insert a title for the map. Let's keep it simple and label it the United States. To format the title, right click, properties, change symbol, and change from Arial to Calibri. Make the size 20, bold and underlined. And then move down the title to the guideline that I already created. Next we're going to insert a north arrow. And we'll put that over here in this corner. Make it a little bit bigger. There we go. And then insert a scale bar. And you can notice when it opens it says decimal degrees. To change that, just go to the properties, scale and units, and the division units. For this one I'm going to use miles. So go ahead and change that. You can see that changed. Create the scale bar. And then I want to change the size of it. Let's say it goes up to 1180. Just move it down so it's at an even 1000 miles. The scale bar will adjust automatically. Next we want to insert a text box here. We're going to create a space for the map author. So put it map by, and let's put the author name. And you can put the date that it was created, and then move this box down here. That way people who are looking at the map know who made it and when. It's especially important when you have a map that has data that is changing, so that they can know how up to date the map is. The next thing we're going to do is insert a neat line. Do place inside the margins. Go ahead and keep this triple graded border style. Leave the background as none and click OK. And then I'll resize these to the guides that I already created. So a little 1/2 inch margin around the page. And then to see how the final product looks, go to the print preview. And that's how the final map would look. So thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel using the links below. Thank you.